Mr. Speaker, Senator Ledama and I sat in this house, and in the last financial year, counties got 370 billion. We have increased by 15 billion to 385 billion. So, Mr. Speaker, this is a house of record, tradition, and respect. I would urge my colleague, Mr. Speaker, through you, to separate what he says in public and in newspapers and what he is saying on the floor of the House. Because we cannot participate. Mr. Speaker, I remember, even in your ruling on the Meru case, when I tried to contest on the report that were tabled in this House, I was disagreeing with it. Mr. Speaker, I was thrown outside the chamber. So is Senator Ledama in order to allege that the Senate is killing, dismembering, committing macabre against devolution, Mr. Speaker? Yet we have added 15 billion. In fact, what he should be saying, Mr. Speaker, is that the Senate added 15 billion to 385 billion, although they wanted 407 billion, Mr. Speaker. So this incitement of Senate by the likes of Senator Ledama, by the public, is uncalled for, Mr. Speaker. And he knows very well that when in conclusion, Mr. Speaker, under Article 202, the country is in a deep mess because of public debt. And the first charge, when we collect revenue,